Hello guys, today we are going to solve one of the Leetcode problem, symmetric tree. So let's quickly jump to the description of this problem. Given the root of a binary tree, check whether it is a mirror of itself. So that's symmetric around its center. So basically we have to see whether the left subtree and the right subtree both are uh, you know uh, the mirror to itself. So if you place a mirror right here, so these values will be equal, right? The right one equal to the left one equal to the right one of this. But if you place a mirror here, what will happen? This 2 and 2 is equal for sure. But if you see, right, the comparison if you're doing, what happening is here is the nearer to the mirror will come. Uh, I mean, it should be coming to near, right, as well. So if you are placing this 3 near to mirror, this 3 should exist in the left, not in the right, isn't it? And if this is on the far from the mirror part, it should also be here, right? Not here. So this is what the problem, and we have to find the solution for it, right? So to find the solution, the what we can do is, since we know the DFS, right, we can go recursively, on every node, and then we can check whether the values are equal or not, right? So I can, I mean, we can go at a time left and right, and we can check whether these two values are equal or not. And then I can go to the left, right, to this one, um, and the left of this one, right? So uh, so for the mirror, right, I don't need to check like left to left. I have to check whether the left is equal to the right of this one. So same thing will be here also. So I have to check if left of this one is equal to right of this one, right? So I have to compare the value of a particular node which is on the left with the node which is on the right in opposite directions, right? If I'm checking left here, it has to be right here in the right part of the subtree. And that's what we are going to use. So let's quickly try to write the code for it. I hope you would have got the kind of idea what we are going to do, and it will be more clear once we'll start writing the code. So let's say I have this function which is symmetric method, right? And I have this node 1 and node 2. Okay. Why node 1 and node 2? Because we have to traverse this tree at a time, right? In the left and the right. So that's why I'm having one node for the left, another node for the right. Or I can simply say, but right and left will be confusing. So let's keep node 1 and node 2. Okay. So what would be our base condition? So if you see, if our node 1 is none, right, and our node 2 as well is none, if that is the case, then it means it will return true. It has to be true, right? Both are empty. If what we can have another condition. If node 1 is none, right, then and node 2 is not none, then we can return false. The same thing we can do for the other one, right? The node 2. If node 2 is none and node 1 is not none, right? Then in that case also I can return the false, isn't it? Um, and the other part we have to also see if, right, if both values are there, right, then I have to check whether the values are same or not. If it is same, then I can say return true, but I don't need to return true, right? In that case, um, if I got to know that my left and right, both are same. See, we don't need to worry about the root because root is going to be a single node, right? and it cannot be like divided into two different part. So we have to start from here and here only. So if these two values are same, I should not just say that okay return true, because I have to even check the down nodes, right? All other nodes. So the condition should be kind of like I should return whatever the value is there with this, and right, I have to check whether node 1 dot left and node 2. See, what I'm trying to do, I'm checking if this value is, if it is same, then I'm going to check the other nodes recursively. And to check the other nodes, how should we do is, if I am taking left of node 1, I should take node 2 right, right? And there will be other condition as well. So node 1, if I am taking right of it, then node 2, it will be of left, right? And if everything is kind of, satisfied, if this is returning true and this is returning true and this is returning true, then only our answer is true, right? Now let's call this particular function. So to call this function, what I have to do is I have to say root.left and root.right. Okay. And whatever the value would be there, just return it. Okay. Let's try to submit it. Okay, it's got submitted. So that's all for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any comments or question. Thank you.